privilege to immediate past President J.C. Ravi.
Thank you, President Rajesh. It is time to present annual report and award by the President J.C. Rajesh. The parliamentary provisors and suspended for the proceeding. I request J.C. Rajesh proceed and requesting the gathering of maintain silence.
Good evening, respected zone president and chief guest of the day, beloved guest of honor of the day, my fellow zone vice presidents, my dear LOM officers and guests. It gives me immense pleasure to present the major achievements or benchmarks and best practices which we have introduced as part of this year 2020 in our prestigious LOM. I thank the Almighty for his blessings, and I have no words to thank my mother and late father. My special thanks to my spouse J.C. Vinodini and my daughter Riva for their support, understanding and cooperation to me to be a successful president. I am thankful to J.C. Saravanan, Treasurer J.C. Bharat for their wonderful cooperation. I extend my sincere thanks to our beloved immediate past President J.C. Ravi for his guidance and continuous motivation. JCI is one of the best decisions I made in my life to join JCI that helped me shape my professional, personal career in a better way. I am also able to present myself as a trainer, and presently I am the elected officer for Zone 16 of JCI India. JCI Hosur Lake City. It's my fortunate that I am destined to be the 15th year president of JCI Hosur Lake City, one of the prestigious and renowned LOM in our zone. Presidentship. I got elected as president for JCI Hosur Lake City on 15th September 2020, and I got installed on 15th December 2020. Some of the best practices introduced this year is we adopted active citizen framework model in designing our entire year of 2020. The phase one, analyze. We had set a vision and mission for our LOM, and we introduced area-wise mentorship and appointed special committees. We organized officers training program for our LOM governing board members, which happened in 2 phases throughout the year. Phase 2 of ACF, develop. Our annual project planner is carefully designed aligning with JCI priorities, JCI India plan of action, UNSDG goals, zone plan of action, 100% efficiency, ZPRP points and LOM initiatives. Phase 3, execute. As a president, I decided to invest my whole trust in my LOM officers and members, and we empowered the entire team with giving exclusive trainings and kits explaining their roles and responsibilities. We introduced monthly president recognition program where the star of the month governing board member and star of the month LGB member were identified and recognized. Phase 4, review. We made sure that we have quarterly review of our goals and intent, impact are on track to be achieved. Some key highlights and activities of this year. In the area of management, we did a grand installation with 170 plus members last year in TGI Grand. We achieved 100% efficiency and topped in the zone. We were amongst the top 5 in zone for the ZPRP points. We provided the highest participation in all zone events and ensured active participation in every event. We have released 10+2 special edition of Focus, our monthly bulletin. I extend my special thanks to Vice President J.C. Bahuguna, Director J.C. Yalini, mentored by past President J.C. Senator Chandrasekhar Birpsar, who is the bulletin chairman as well, for their support and cooperation. They were the real backbone to me in the management area. In the area of growth and development, this year we inducted 13 new members. We contributed 4 Henry Gissenbier Fellow Foundation contribution. We started 3 JJC wings at the Ashok Leland School, Government School and Vidya Niketan Home for Children. We organized the orientation seminar for the new members TISAI 2020 with more than 40 plus registrations. My sincere gratitude and love to our Vice President J.C. Muniraju and JC Bharani, mentored by our past president JC HGF Anbu Kumar, for their real efforts in the area of growth and development. In the area of training, we organized training marathon which included 13 training program in one single day. And we organized 100 plus training program throughout the year. JCA Senator Chandra Chudeshwaran had attended zone trainer workshop, ZWS pilot faculty orientation seminar at JCA India NHQ. JCA Senator Chandrasekhar Beep from Alom has attended Speechcraft pilot faculty orientation seminar at JCA India NHQ. I extend my sincere gratitude to JC Maurya, JC Sukanya, and JC Mohan, mentored by our JC past president JC Senator Chandra Chudeshwaran from training area, for their wonderful support. Thank you. In the area of programs under Clean Plate Challenge, we reached more than 500 individuals, spreading the awareness to not waste the food. Our signature project, Every Drop Counts, we fixed 65 plus leaking taps across Hosur, saving approximately 1 lakh liter of water since last January. We identified 3 sustainable developmental homes and we are recognizing them today. We also released the stamp for JCA President, National President, Zone Vice President, and our LOM for commemorating 15 years of excellence. Our LOM bagged the top 3 winners of NLTS examination at zone level. This year, we nominated for 5 ASPAC awards and we have collected 130 plus units of blood. We have covered 7,000 plus students giving the Integrity Day oath across Hosur. And for the 3rd consecutive year, we connected with the digital. I must be proud to say that we are one of the pioneer LOMs where we adopted digital even before the corona had come into picture. We organized a grand family meet, Inaivom, Magilvom, in the month of November, and we had a great fun. E-competition were conducted where we were able to cover 100 plus participation from different areas. We are gifted to have JC Morgan and JC Leelavati, mentored by JC Kumar for the programs area. My special thanks to them. In the area of business, we created sustainable partnership throughout this year, and we connected a lot of online B2B meet. We conducted business promotion through our LOM bulletin, and we created video promotions promoting our members' businesses. And I extend my sincere gratitude to JC Manjunath and JC Shaktivel, mentored by JC HGF Om Sarnam, for their active contribution in the area of business. Thank you. I am proud to say we are one of the LOM, or only LOM, to have touched the area of internationalism this year, and we organized various online training program. We had officially signed a training agreement with JCA Colombo in Sri Lanka, and we have organized various training program. Few to name, with the cricketing legends like Sana Jayasuriya, Aravinda D. Silva, we conducted online training programs. We organized chit chat with Rohan Pallevata, who is a former presidential candidate of Sri Lanka. We organized women empowerment training program with Sheetal Gandhi, national trainer, and Zelia Wong, who is JCA Asia Pacific Developmental Officer from JCA Hong Kong. I extend my gratitude to my fellow twinning president JC Tariq Nazir and Secretary JC Sandhuni for their active contribution as our twinning LOM. Last but not the least, I extend my gratitude to my better half JC Vinodini for her active contribution in the area of JC RET in this year. Thank you, Vinodini. We made sure that we had a well-balanced year covering all the activities in all JCA area of opportunities. And with that efforts, we listed a number of awards and recognition throughout this year. Few awards to name. We are proud to announce that we got the following awards in the recent zone conference of Zone 16. JCA Hosur Lake City won the following awards during the zone conference. Kamal Patra Award for the Business Excellence of Zone 16 has been won by JC Hari Krishnan, past president of JCA Hosur Lake City. In category 1, individual awards, our LOM got Outstanding President of the Zone, and that's me. Thank you so much for all the support. And we have got Outstanding HGF Member of the Zone, JC HGF Muniraju. Congratulations. In category 2 group awards, our LOM won Outstanding Local Organization Bulletin of the Zone Winner Award for the 3rd consecutive time. Kudos to our management and bulletin team. Outstanding JJC activities of the zone, runner-up, JCA Hosur Lake City. Kudos to the GND team. Outstanding UNSDG program of the zone, runner-up, JCA Hosur Lake City. And we got winner, runner, first prize, second prize, and third prize in NLTS exam organized by JCI India. We also achieved 100% efficiency, hat trick. That is like we have got the 100% efficiency for the last 3 years consecutively. And we got the zone president's recognition program for topping 4th place in the zone in the ZPRP points. We also got zone president's excellence award for outstanding zone vice president for the year. Our past president, JC HGF Om Saranam, who was zone vice president of region A. That sums up the activities from our LOM this year. And I'm really fortunate that with the God's grace, I'm one of the elected officer of Zone Governing Board in the year 2021 of our prestigious Zone 16. And I sincerely dedicate this post to my LOM members and to my LOM and its members, without whom I would not have got this role. Indeed, my family's prayer and wishes brought this great laurel to me. Thank you all. I will definitely give my best in this role. It wouldn't be fair for me to take all the credits. I would like to thank our JC Imran Ahmed, Zone President for the year 2020, and our most beloved Zone Vice President and current Zone President JC Yuvraj sir for your continuous guidance, support and motivation. All President 2020, especially the JCs of Hosur Presidents, JC Punita, JC Ilavarasan, JC Jawahar, JC Dilli Babu, JC Vel Murugan, JC Shakti for their unconditional support. My mentors, without their direction and guidance, I could not have achieved so many laurels. I am out of words to express my sincere gratitude to my mentors. Sincere gratitude, sir. My LOM members, without their cooperation and support, I would not have got such a great opportunity to read out this big of an annual report. This was only possible because of my LOM members. And my family, above all, last year when I took up my presidentship, my father was here in the audience cheering me good luck. I still remember that. Unfortunately, he's not with us anymore, but I'm sure he's watching me as a proud president. And I dedicate this year of presidentship and all the awards and recognition and the good name to my father, late R. Subramanian. I miss him, and I will continue to make my family feel proud of me and make this organization, this LOM, feel proud of me. I will end my report with a final quote. Always remember, every individual is replaceable, but be the hardest one to be replaced. Thank you. Over to our IPP.
Hereby move to report of JCA Hosur Lake City for the year 2020, moved by JC Muniraju and also JC Murugan. Report is moved, hence the parliamentary advisor shall be resumed. Thank you.